Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Omnisend integration with Shopify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize the Omnisend integration with Shopify, first, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, select Apps. In the Apps section, click on Visit the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Omnisend and press Enter. Find the Omnisend app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to proceed. You will be redirected to the installation page for Omnisend. Review the permissions that the app requires. Click on the Install App button at the bottom of the page. Once installed, you will be taken to the Omnisend dashboard. If prompted, log into your Omnisend account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you will be asked to authorize the integration with Shopify. Click on the Authorize button to proceed with the authorization. You may be redirected back to your Omnisend account dashboard. Here, you can configure your settings as needed. To verify the integration, check your Omnisend dashboard for any connected Shopify data. You are now ready to start using Omnisend with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.